In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move your workflow to a folder in n8n. Whether you're just starting out or you're an n8n pro, organizing your workflows can make a big difference in your productivity and efficiency. So, let's dive into the simple steps to neatly tuck away your workflows into folders. First, we begin by opening up n8n. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to the section where your workflows are stored. Have you found it? Great! Now, let's find the specific workflow you wish to move. Once you've found your workflow, take a look at the upper section of your screen. You should see an option labeled Personal. Give that a click. This action will trigger a drop-down or sidebar menu, providing you with various options to manage your workflows effectively. Next, you need to zero in on the three dots icon or the ellipsis. It's typically a small button with three vertical or horizontal dots, representing more settings or options. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens, as clicking on the three dots opens up a host of options that allow you to manage the selected workflow. From the available options, go ahead and select Move. This choice indicates that you want to relocate the current workflow to a different location within n8n. Now, take a moment to think about which folder you want to transfer your workflow into. It's always good practice to have your folders named in a way that reflects their contents. This makes it easier for future access. At this stage, you have a couple of options. You can select the folder you want from the list presented to you. This is a straightforward way to achieve the task at hand. Simply click to choose your desired folder, and your workflow moves there automatically. Alternatively, for those who prefer a more hands-on approach or want to ensure they're dragging to the right folder, you can do just that. Click and drag the workflow directly to your chosen folder. This method is quite intuitive and similar to organizing files on your desktop. And there you have it. Your workflow has now been moved to the folder of your choice, keeping your n8n work environment tidy and organized. It's as simple as that, and organizing your workflows into folders can really streamline your process. It's a small step that can lead to a big difference in keeping track of different projects or automations. Thanks for following along. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more helpful tips, and feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below. Happy organizing!